you see the writing in the air? Die young, gonna die young. Someone stopped the fear.
два пиздюка.
Now watch him all start crumbling. Little boy born into a jungle gym. He had a real good drive and a vision to win. He gave all that he had in, all that he could, though he thought he did. He didn't dance with the devil though. Got caught in the pale moonlight with a fire in his eye on the path and the road that he walked. Even in the light there were those in the dark. A vibration through a stream of the thought. A distant twilight, outright roused in my dreams that night. Can't stop contemplating the constellations, the constant waiting, the confrontation. The feeling that you're feeling is so amazing. Emancipating the soulless greatness upon my brotherhood. Can't take that time, what your mama can find. Thinking that you didn't cut a cookie. Wonder what he really had to do. Stay true to the gone, you to the gone. Blue flies over the propaganda, the proposition, the cost of living, the contemplation. And whether or not it's the end we're facing, the red lit sunset. Eyelid shut over to an eyelid of rain. Colors that your face are tinted orange, depending on the angle of the sun when it hits. Reflection of the pond of a smile from a kid, looking at a rainbow that's floated above his head, while thinking out loud of a poem that he read about the most beautiful thing in his life. Magnificent music ignites.